Now, going back to your question, I'm sorry, that was a long story. But how was I able to overcome it? This is personal. Siyempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng pag-cope sa mga challenges sa buhay. Pero sinasabi nga nila, if you're talking about death, it doesn't get easy.
Yeah.
You know, the death of a loved one, the experience, and the experience itself as as days pass, it doesn't really get easy. But I think, like what they say, it doesn't get easy, but you get to live with the pain.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true.
Nasasanay ka na. Until now, minsan may mga panahon ako na naaalala ko, and I would cry. I would cry.
Yeah.
Kasi nami-miss mo yun eh. Or bigla mo mapapaisip mo yung, maaalala mo yung mga good memories, and mapapaiyak ka. So it doesn't get easy.
Yeah.
You just get
Totoo
to
yun.
live with the pain.
Nangyari din sa akin yan, Tito Mikey. So, I was in a workplace, I don't know, out of nowhere, bigla na lang pumasok sa isip ko si Dad.
Yeah.
I don't know, bigla na lang talaga ako nag-breakdown.
Yeah.
So, wala akong ginawa. Parang nagtago ako. Nagtago ako sa trabaho kasi talagang, alam mo yun, hagulgul talaga ang iyak ko. Kasi hindi ako nakauwi ng Pilipinas noon nung namatay yung dad ko.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa, nilibing siya. Hindi. So, may time na pag naaalala ko sila, parang, it's really breaking me down. Parang talagang nagugunaw ako. Kaya, it's good for you not to think about it.
Tito's Talk.